Hello everybody, Albanidis Konstantinos here, and I'm gonna show you something very interesting. For sure, most of you turned out to update your website, your WordPress website, to the latest version that it's 6.4. As for today, that it's 8 of November 2023. This version has a lot of issues. Okay, I'm gonna show you now what exactly I mean. I'm gonna write here, just a moment. Why not to update the version to WordPress 6.4? That's because most of you you didn't had any idea that the update is a major update, and it's updating the core, and it's changing something very, very important. You see, PHP 7 dropped the use of MySQL extension, so you have to use the MySQL. You see, that is gonna cause a lot of issues with a lot of older plugins that you have to your website. If your WordPress is clean and you're not using any plugins, you're not gonna deal with any kind of problems, and you're gonna just see improvement. But if you have any kind of extra plugins, you're gonna have a lot of huge problems. Let's say if you go to install plugins, you're gonna have such a huge delay, and you're gonna in fact you're gonna deal with downtime, and your site is gonna have huge problems. So I'm here to save your day and do something very, very fast until you get an update from your plugins, and you're ready to go to the next step and update your WordPress. First thing first, you're gonna have to use FileZilla, okay, and that's FileZilla. You're gonna have to use this SFTP client to be able to fix your website. To this particular tutorial, we're gonna fix the infogate.gr. okay, that's a Greek site, but it has a lot of issues today after this automated update. First of all, you're gonna have to use FileZilla and open your wp-config php file. Okay, I'm gonna open it here. After you open this file, you're gonna have to add this line, define wp auto update core false, so that you're not gonna have your site updated automatically. Okay, this is gonna prevent it to update automatically. We're gonna return to the previous update 6.3 using this tutorial, so that you're not gonna have any problems, and your site is gonna be back and working normally until you have an updated plugins, and you're confident to move on. This tutorial is gonna be your time saver, and it's gonna be a lifeguard for you. So we first disable with this line the automatic update. Next, you're gonna have to do this. You download this wp-config to a folder, let's say it fix, okay, I'm gonna download it here. I have it here. You're gonna need this unzipper.php. That's a free file. Let me show you how you're gonna get it. The only thing you're gonna have to do is write unzipper to Google. The first one that you're gonna see, it's unzipper.com, and you go here and you get unzipper. Okay, you just download it, and you're gonna have this file, this unzipper. Okay, the rest one, this one that I have here, that it's a WordPress downgrade 632 rar, and we don't want to be rar, we're gonna make it zip. It's the 6.3.2 version of WordPress. It's the previous version that we were using, and we had no problems until today. Okay, so how you're gonna get this file? You just download this version. You're gonna have to go to Google again. Let me show you. And you just click to Google. We just want WordPress previous versions. Okay, so you get first the release archive. Here you don't want to use this one because it's the one that caused the problem from yesterday. You get this one. That's the not this one, sorry, this one. It's 632 from October 12, and you get the zip. Okay, you get this file, and you're gonna have this zip, this release zipped here. You just want to extract it, and from what you extracted here, you're gonna need to select everything except the content. Okay, we don't want to touch the content, and here you just compress everything else into a zip. I'm gonna name it ver exe 632. Okay, so now I'm gonna have a zip from this version. I'm gonna drop this version here to the folder that I created, fix. Okay, inside here, let me erase this one not to bother you. So I have here three files: wp-config, WordPress version 632, and the zipper. Okay, I go back to my FileZilla over here, and I check that I'm to the domain that I had the problem. Okay, here it's gonna be nice to have a backup from all your website. Okay, you can just get to your server. If you're using free spirits, you can just get a one-click backup, or you can download all the files from here and extract your SQL database. Okay, I'm gonna do a very fast backup. I'm gonna pause just the video. It's because I don't have to show you how to do that. It depends on what hosting you're using. So I'm gonna do a very fast backup, and I'm gonna be back to show you the next steps. Okay, here I show you how I do the zip here. I just compress the rest of the files that I want to save, and save it to a folder, a temporary folder, because that's going to be useless after the downgrade. It's going to be called WordPress 64.zip. This one is going to be the one that I want to get rid of, but I just keep a backup just in case. Okay, I'll just wait for this one to finish. Okay, at the same time we can have a backup from the database. We can make a quick one, or we can just select here a custom one. I'm gonna just give the date. I want to make it add and add drop, and it's ready. Okay, I'm gonna get the backup. So as you can see here, we have we got a big backup called WordPress 6.4. That's the one that we created. It's a huge one, and now we are ready to downgrade our WordPress website. Let's do it. So the only thing that you're gonna need is to have this. Let me show you inside here. We have this folder that sorry. We have here the file that we created, WordPress version 6.3.2. Just a moment to. Okay, I just close and open it to make everything in English so that it's easier for you. Let me connect again to the site. Okay, so there you are. Here, what we're gonna do now here, it's we're gonna rename the WP includes. Let's rename it to 64. That's the one that we don't want. We don't touch this one, and we rename WP admin to 64. Okay, 64 it's the version that we don't want. Okay, we want not the 6.4, we want the 6.3.2. Okay, now we upload back. Let me be sure that I have the correct WP config. Okay, that's the same. I'm gonna just download it again, and I upload unzipper, WordPress version 6.3.2, and WP config. I upload those files. Okay, you see the file, it's about 13 megabytes. That's the file that we created from zipping admin includes, WP admin, WP includes, and all the other files. Okay, so over here we have the file ready. I'm uploading, and the next step it's gonna be to use the unzipper and unzip everything inside our WordPress site. The other way is just to upload everything. Just in this situation it's gonna take too long, and because there are too many small folders and files inside here, it's gonna take longer. On that way we just upload a zipped file. We upload the unzipper, the one that we're gonna erase after this upload, and using this unzipper we are ready to fix our WordPress site. Let me show you, just to finish very fast with this one. It's almost to 60%. You see that it's really fast. Maybe according to your location and to your internet speed, this is gonna be faster or slower. Okay, we're almost done. That's gonna be the fast way to save your day. Okay, we have this video. It's already 14 minutes. We're close to fix everything. Okay, I'm gonna leave it to upload. Yeah, we're almost to 15 minutes. I guess we're gonna make it faster. Okay, okay. Let's go now to open a browser and see our website. As you see your website, the only thing that you're gonna have to do now is to type the name, the domain slash unzipper.php. Okay, we just hit enter and we're gonna see this screen. Over here we're gonna want to select WordPress version 632.zip. It's the one that we uploaded, and we just hit unzip archive. Okay, unzip archive here, and the file was unzipped successfully. Let's check that over here too. You see now here we had 3 folders. If we do a refresh, we're gonna have the 2 new folders here and here, and the rest files are overwritten. Okay, now the next step is to go back here and try to enter the WordPress admin panel. Let me see here. You see, you're gonna have you're gonna see this screen that it says that you have to upgrade your WordPress database. Here it's in Greek, but I'm sure you're gonna figure this out. And clicking there, it's done. We have downgraded our website. Now I'm gonna enter the admin panel. You see now it says that I should upgrade to 6.4. Sorry, but I'm not ready about that, and it would be nice to ask before it's upgrading. It should be the default option, and you see here we have the 6.3.2. I hope that saved you your day. You're gonna see now that everything is working normally. Let's open the website to see that really is working normally and faster. You see everything is normal, and if you visit the plugins section here, installed plugins, you're gonna see that it's really working and it's opening fast, and it's not time out as it was doing before. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope this video is gonna save your day, and you're gonna have your website working normally again. The only thing you're gonna have to do, and it's best to do, not optional, I think that's critical, to have a backup of your website, even if it's updated. I know that being to 6.4 and your plugins not supporting this version, you're gonna have a lot of troubles, and you're gonna deal with a lot of downtime, and you're gonna see that everything is gonna be working very, very slow. Wish you the best, and I hope you're gonna enjoy this video, like it, subscribe, and share it with other friends that you think that they have the same problem. If you saw something to a forum or somewhere else, just give them this tutorial. I'm sure it's gonna help them a lot. Thank you very much, everybody. I love you all. See you soon. Ciao.